28th October 1990, a historical day for Holy Cross Sisters in North India. Birth of the North Indian province. Sister Leena Muppattum Kalam was appointed the first provincial of North Indian province on 28th October 1990, and Holy Cross Convent Khairabad became the provincial house. In the course of time, provincial house was shifted to Lucknow, the city of Nawab. Today we continue our mission in the dioceses of Lucknow, Meerut, Delhi, Bombay, Jammu Srinagar, Tura, Shillong, Nongstoin, Jabalpur, Bhagalpur, Palakkad. Piplera. Piplera village, our first mission in Meerut, diocese, in North India, was a jungle with no basic facilities. Illiteracy and poverty, poor roads, lack of electricity. Mussoorie. Due to the lack of basic health care amenities, the sisters felt the need to have an organized health center. So in Mussoorie, at a distance of 2 kilometers from Piplera, at the National Highway, a 40-bed health facility and a convent was opened in 1986. Bachroon. In 1984, our sisters moved out to another district in UP, Bachroon, undertaking the ministries of education and healthcare. Neelakheri. 1987 saw another mission opening in Neelakheri village, 15 kilometers from Bachroon, in response to the need of the villagers who had no access to formal education. Bishop Conrad Memorial Hospital, BCM, was born in 1981. Dr. Sister Leena, a well-qualified, experienced gynecologist, took charge as the first chief medical officer of BCM Hospital in 1981. Over the years, under able management, the hospital developed in leaps and bounds. Today, in life-giving streams flow, where life strives and thrives abundantly. BCM College of Nursing. Father Gerard's another dream, expanded to different streams of education, forming future nurses. The School of Nursing started with the diploma course in 1990, is upgraded into a College of Nursing in 2011. Reaching out with love and compassion to the outcast of the society, restoring human dignity and self-esteem through curative, rehabilitative and preventive measures, making them self-supportive. Jeevan Jyoti. Jeevan Jyoti Community Center has a humble beginning with 23 children in non-formal education program in the year 2000. The objective was to provide education for the marginalized and vulnerable sections of the society, with a vision to integrate them into the mainstream to lead a respectable and dignified life. Jeevan Jyoti Convent School. At an opportune time, we responded to the inner prompting to begin an educational institution in Khairabad village, inculcating values of life. Jeevan Jyoti English Medium Convent School, April 2012. Sacred Heart Inter College, Sitapur. Here too our sisters are engaged in education and pastoral ministry. St. Francis Dispensary, Lucknow. We join hands with the diocese in education and pastoral ministry. Geriatric care. The candles that burned for the service of the Lord and the Church at the sunset of their life. Honored, cared for. St. Francis Inter College. Drawing out the best, unearthing the hidden pearls, instilling moral and spiritual values, building up the future nation. Sidhavli. Father Gerard's undying enthusiasm to educate the young found its expression in Sidhavli in 2005. Snehalaya is a home for love for children. At Risk offers holistic personality development and education. Formation House, Kursi Road. A garden where saplings are planted and nurtured. We see the continuation of our mission through our young members. Shanti Avedana Sadan, Bombay First Palliative Care Center. Varsoha. We take care of the working women's children around Varsoha during the day. Shanti Avedana Sadan, Delhi. Here stands Shanti Avedana Sadan, providing peace, alleviation of pain and a loving home. Jammu and Kashmir. Khalit. Our sisters set foot in Danger village just 8 kilometers from Pakistan border. Nagarota. Nagarota is a village at a distance of 10 kilometers from Jammu on the Jammu-Srinagar highway. Our sisters are engaged in education and pastoral ministry. Mandla. Barnada Nursery provides kindergarten for the tiny tots. Bhagdo. In July 2003, the Holy Cross Sisters reached Bhagdo, a remote village with no basic amenities, transportation, safe drinking water and electricity. Bihar. Dholampur. At the request of the Bishop of Bhagalpur,
we started another mission in Dulhampur, considerably backward with low literacy rate and extreme poverty. Jharkhand Jamua. In the Diocese of Bhagalpur, in 2015, another new mission was opened. Here our sisters bring the light of knowledge to the tender hearts through primary school education.
Meghalaya. In 1987, we were invited by the church to this geographically isolated area to undertake a pioneering mission of medical service in the state's capital Shillong. In the heart of the capital city, Nazareth Hospital is a refuge for both rich and poor, extending excellent services of high standards. Rapsbun School of Nursing, attached to Nazareth Hospital, trains the young women of the region as healthcare professionals, instilling in them the respect for life and other Christian values. Miyada was purchased for the purpose of formation and study house. Holy Cross Health Center Bharapani, blessed and inaugurated on September 14, 2014. Mairang. North Indian Mission expanded still further to Mairang at a distance of 45 kilometers from Shillong. Assam. Sisters engaged in healthcare. Garo Hills. Holy Cross Hospital Tura. At the invitation of Bishop of Tura, we ventured out in healing service to this malaria-infested part of the state in 1993. RSM School of Nursing. To train local girls in healthcare service, a school of nursing was established in 2006. Gabil, Primary Health Center 2008. To revive the dysfunctional primary health centers, PHC, in remote areas of Garo Hills where healthcare services are not available. Jhengjhal. A new mission was opened in Jhengjhal in the Diocese of Tura in 1999 for the ministries of boarding house for local girls and family apostolate, teaching in the parish schools and primary health care. Kerala. North Indian province has taken a new step in its Silver Jubilee year at the invitation of Bishop of Palakkad Diocese. Sisters render service in parish ministry and family apostolate.